Imagine France on the brink of the Second World War. The year is 1940, a time of great change and challenges for the automotive industry. It was in this year that the Renault company introduced its new medium-duty truck, the Renault AHN. This vehicle quickly became a symbol of French engineering, combining reliability, maneuverability, and technological innovations that were rare for trucks of the early 1940s. The Renault AHN belonged to the AHX series, which also included the AHS model, capable of carrying 2.5 tons, and the AHR, designed for 5 tons. The AHN was the medium version and rapidly gained popularity thanks to its versatility and robust construction. In total, around 26,492 units were produced between 1941 and 1947, making it one of the most widespread Renault trucks of that era. One of the distinctive features of the Renault AHN was its cab-over-engine design. This configuration significantly reduced the vehicle's length while increasing maneuverability, which was particularly important for French streets with narrow roads and limited space. The truck measured 6,450 millimeters in length, 2,330 millimeters in width, and 2,600 millimeters in height. The empty weight was 2,290 kilograms, while the maximum permissible weight reached 5,790 kilograms, allowing for the transport of significant loads without overstraining the mechanisms. Under the hood, the Renault AHN housed a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with a displacement of 4,086 cubic centimeters. The engine power varied depending on the specific version and energy source, ranging from 50 to 75 horsepower. This variation was due to differences between gasoline versions and those equipped with gas generators, which were slightly less powerful. This flexibility allowed the AHN to adapt to different needs and fuel availability during the challenging war years. The truck's maximum speed reached 59 kilometers per hour, sufficient for safe transport of goods. The transmission was a 4-speed manual gearbox, and the drive was rear-wheel, providing stability and ease of maintenance. Another fascinating feature of the Renault AHN was its ability to operate not only on gasoline, but also on a gas generator, making it highly versatile during periods of fuel scarcity. The average fuel consumption was approximately 30 liters per 100 kilometers, and the range was about 300 kilometers, allowing the vehicle to cover significant distances without frequent refueling stops. The first prototype of the AHN was unveiled in February 1940. Shortly after France's surrender in June, serial production continued under German occupation, and these trucks were actively used by the Wehrmacht to transport a variety of goods. Interestingly, some units were adapted for special purposes, such as ambulances, demonstrating the vehicle's versatility and its ability to quickly transform for different tasks. After the Second World War, the Renault AHN continued to serve in the civilian sector of France until 1947, when it was replaced by the Renault Galion. Today, several carefully restored examples survive in museums and private collections, reminding us of the outstanding engineering work of French designers and the enduring spirit of automotive innovation. For modern viewers, the Renault AHN is not only a historical artifact, but also an example of how a combination of practicality, reliability, and innovation can create machinery that withstands the test of time. Its cab-over-engine design, versatile engines with power ranging from 50 to 75 horsepower, capability to use different types of fuel, and strong construction made it one of the icons of French automotive history. If you are fascinated by rare vehicles, their stories, and the amazing technical solutions of the past, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Here, history comes alive, and every model has its own unique story worth seeing and hearing.